The process begins at a farm in Iowa with a field of specific variety of potatoes grown for potato chips. Planted in early April, the potatoes are ready to be harvested in the middle of July. When it's time for harvest, a tractor pulls a machine called a windrower. The windrower digs up the potatoes and lays them into the adjacent rows so that they can be picked up. Next, a machine called a harvester picks up the rows of potatoes deposited by the windrower and also digs additional rows, then loads them into trucks, which take them to the sorting facility. From behind, you can also see the harvester separating the potatoes from the dirt and the vines. The potato trucks have conveyors in the bottoms of their boxes. This allows the potatoes to fall directly out of the box and onto the sorting line. As the potatoes go by, workers sort out any that are rotten, as well as any dirt, vines, or other plant debris. The final section of the sorting line is attached to a boom that allows a worker to carefully load the potatoes into semis. When fully loaded, the semi carrying around 50,000 pounds of potatoes is weighed and sent to potato processing facilities all over the United States. These potatoes will be sent to potato chip processors in the Midwest and made into crunchy, delicious potato chips.